want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love.
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. So we are doing an everyday college makeup look today. I'm having some Diet Coke. And yes, before starting our makeup, we are going to prep our skin. If our skin is prepped well, then the makeup is going to turn out good only. I'm starting with this moisturizer from Dr. Sheth. This is an oil-free moisturizer. I love using this one these days. Loving it. This is not sponsored, by the way. It just hydrates my skin beautifully without making it oily. So yes, I love it. After moisturizing our face, I'm going to use some sunscreen. This one is from Episoft, my favorite. I love this one. Wearing sunscreen is extremely important. It should be a non-negotiable. So yes, always wear your sunscreen. After my sunscreen, I'm going to use some primer. This one is from Insight. This one actually blurs out my pores and it feels very light on the skin. It hydrates my skin. So yes, love this one. Then I'm not going to wear any foundation. I'm just going in with some concealer. If you have dark circles or pigmentation, you can go in with some orange color corrector. But I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline to color correct my under eyes because this is a little dark for me. I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on some dark spots, not going to apply it all over my face. Then I'm just blending my concealer. I'm using this brush from Simba Lifestyle. Love their brushes. Then to highlight the under eyes, I'm using this concealer from Swiss Beauty. This is their liquid concealer. I'll mention the shade name and everything in the description box. And yes, then blending everything again. I'm using very less product, not going to cover my entire face with it, just going to highlight my under eyes and just going to conceal my dark spots. Doing that, after everything is blended beautifully, we are going to set everything using some matte loose powder. I love using these two, but you can use whatever you like to use. So yes, setting my makeup, especially my T-zone, because my T-zone gets extremely oily. Then I'm going in with some blush. I love using either cream blushes or water tints. Love these two. I'm going to use the Etude water tint because it looks very, very natural. So yes, using this one. I'm going to use a little bit more because I want it to stay the entire day, and it actually does. It is a very, very long staying water tint. So yes, I love using this one. After blending everything, we are going to do our eyebrows. I'm using this Swiss Beauty Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil. This is my favorite. I love using this one. I'm just following my natural brow line, not doing anything unnecessary. And then using the spoolie to blend everything. Then I'm using some liner. It's your choice. If you don't feel like wearing eyeliner, you can totally skip this step, but I like wearing eyeliner, so I'm going in with some. And I'm making a winged eyeliner as always because I love my eyes like that. Like, this is my go-to eye makeup look. And yes, after the eyeliner, actually I forgot doing my eyeshadow. I normally don't do eyeshadow for a regular makeup look, but I like to use some brown eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eye because it kind of contours my eye. So yes, love that. And I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. You can also skip this step and use the mascara directly, but I like to curl my eyelashes. I think they make my eyelash look very, very beautiful and voluminous. So yes, this is what it looks like. I'm using the Insight mascara. You can go with Maybelline or whatever mascara you use. I just wanted to include some budget-friendly option. That is why I'm using the Insight mascara. Then I'm using the Swiss Beauty highlighter stick. You don't need highlighter if you're going to college, but this one looks very, very natural. So on days when you have to wear makeup, or there are days like ethnic days and all of that, you can definitely try out this one. Then I'm using some powder on my lips so that the application is smooth. I'm using this lip liner from Mars in the shade Brown Mocha. Lining my lips. I like to follow my natural lip line because otherwise my lips look really weird. So yes, just going to follow my natural lip line. I like to use very glossy or balmy type of products in summers, so yes, these are some options. You can try these out. I'm using my Rom&Nd's lip tint and applying it all over. Then I'm going to go in with some Mars lip drip mist and only going to apply it in the center and just blending it. Then I'm using some gloss from Mars. Love this one, and I think I'm loving this lip combo. It turned out really well. And with that, I'm ending the video. This is how the makeup turned out. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.